Hello everyone, I am Sidhvita, a member of Krino Forensics. In this session, we will explore the 7 main steps of crimes in investigation. These 7 steps are essential for understanding how forensic science supports justice by carefully handling and analyzing evidence at every stage. Crimes and investigation is one of the most important part of forensic science as it helps to ensure that justice is done by making sure all the evidences found are handled and analyzed properly. There are 7 essential steps in this process. These begin right from the moment we realize that a crime has happened all the way to presenting the forensic results in the court. Each step is crucial. If we miss or mess up even at one step, it could damage the evidence or make it useless in court. So, by following these steps carefully, forensic investigators help to uncover the truth and support the legal system from the crime scene to the courtroom. As I shared, there are 7 key steps involved in crime scene investigation, guiding the process from initial crime scene to the final courtroom presentation. Here they are. Step 1, recognition. Step 2, preservation. Step 3, documentation. Step 4, collection. Step 5, identification. Step 6, comparison. Step 7, interpretation and presentation. Let's understand each step in detail now. Recognition. It is the first and most crucial step as it involves identifying that a crime has occurred and spotting potential evidences at the scene. Investigators must be alert and acknowledgeable to recognize what may be relevant to the case. In this recognition step, the first responding officers and crime scene investigators play a vital role to ensure nothing is overlooked that could be important to the investigation. They are also responsible for observing the scene carefully and identifying the evidences like bloodstains, weapons, fingerprints, tool marks, etc. Coming to the second step, preservation. Preservation involves protecting the crime scene to prevent the contamination, loss, or damage of evidence. First responders and scene security personnel are crucial here as they secure the area with barriers or tape and ensure only authorized personnel enter the scene. And once evidence is recognized, it must be protected. This means securing the crime scene to prevent the contamination or loss of evidence. Step 3, documentation. Documentation is the third step where the entire crime scene is recorded exactly as it was found. This includes taking photographs, making sketches, writing detailed notes, and sometimes using the video as well. Crime scene investigators, photographers, and sketch artists play a vital role in capturing accurate and detailed records that preserve the original condition of the scene for analysis and court use. In short, it is a process of recording the crime scene in detail through the notes, photographs, sketches, and videos. This creates a permanent record of how everything appeared at the time of investigation. These also helpful in reconstructing the crime scene for further analysis. Step 4, collection. Collection is the step where physical evidence is carefully gathered from the crime scene using proper tools and techniques to avoid contamination or damage. Crime scene investigators and evidence technicians are responsible for collecting, labeling, and packaging the evidence securely for further analysis. Step 5, identification. Identification is a step where collected evidence is analyzed in the laboratory to determine what it is, such as blood, drugs, fingerprints, or weapons, etc. These can be analyzed by performing preliminary and confirmatory analysis. Forensic scientists and lab technicians are essential here, using specialized techniques to accurately identify the evidences. Step 6. Comparison. Comparison involves examination of the identified evidence by comparing it to the known samples to find out the matches or differences. For example, matching a fingerprint from the crime scene to a suspect's fingerprint. Forensic experts perform a detailed comparisons to link evidence to people, places, or objects that involved in the crime. Step 7. Interpretation and presentation. It is a crucial step where forensic experts analyze all the collected information to form a meaningful conclusion about the crime. They interpret the scientific data to explain how evidence fits into the events that took place. This step also involves preparing a detailed reports and presenting the findings clearly and confidently in the court. Experts act as a witness, helping the court to understand the complex forensic information in a way that supports fair and informed decisions. Forensic scientists, crime scene investigators, and expert witnesses are essential here, as their ability to interpret the evidence accurately and communicate it effectively can make a significant difference in the outcome of a case. To conclude this, the 7 steps of crime scene investigation are like a roadmap that helps to solve the crimes right away. From the moment when we came to know the crime is found to the day the case is heard in the court, each step helps to make sure the evidence is real, safe, and useful. By following this process, investigators can find the truth, support the case with a strong proof, and help to bring the justice to the people who involved in the case. I hope you enjoyed the session. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I would be very happy to acknowledge them. And the presentation document will be shared on our social media platforms. You can directly access the document from there. For more information or queries, you can also reach out to us through our social media channels. Stay tuned for next video to continue learning with Krino Forensics. Thank you.